Hello, my name is William Crane. I'm the founder and CEO of IndustryStar. In the coming few minutes, I'll demonstrate how to optimize your supply chain more quickly with Plan for Every Part. First, why does Plan for Every Part, or PFEP as it's commonly referred to, matter? PFEP has generated substantial supply chain optimization results for leaders across industries, from automotive to building products. The specific supply chain pain points or goals that drive leaders to deploy PFEP vary, from strategic, such as deploying a new lean company management system, to tactical, such as reducing inventory at a specific plant. Regardless of the drivers, the net result is that leaders should expect to realize substantial return on investment and near-term payback leveraging PFEP. So, how does PFEP work? The process of leveraging PFEP to generate supply chain performance results can be distilled down into three simple steps. The art is in the application and speed at which these steps can be executed. First, map your data into a standard PFEP template. Now start basic, utilizing less data input columns, and then build from there once you've realized success. Keep in mind that you will likely need to consolidate data from various spreadsheets, systems, or even paper documents, as well as locations such as departments, team members, and suppliers. Second, you want to leverage your team or third-party resources to help consolidate, digitize, assess, and optimize your data across all of your products, your plants, and suppliers. Now, lean best practice formulas can be utilized during this step to dial in the various data inputs with the net result of getting the right level of supply chain performance, such as cost, time, and risk that your organization desires. Now, lastly, you want to manage your ongoing data, which will include updating your data, making decisions based on the information to continuously maintain a high-performing supply chain. It is notable that as your environment, the economy, industry, geopolitics change, so too must your data inputs to maintain the right alignment with your desired company goals. Now, PFEP is an essential lean tool for mapping, optimizing, and managing data input to maintain a high-performing supply chain. PFEP is like a football game plan. If you prepare a solid game plan, practice your game plan, and execute your game plan, by and large, you're going to win more games. The traditional definition of PFEP is roughly 35 data input columns that range from part name to boxes per pallet, and roughly 5 formulas that calculate data outputs that range from landed cost to buffer stock. Users of PFEP are supply chain professionals, leaders, suppliers, and cross-functional team members. Although the supply chain optimization opportunity at many organizations is exciting, challenges to PFEP include data maintenance, information sharing, and leveraging insights. Unfortunately, there are several typical industry pains that hold teams back from achieving the exciting supply chain results we reviewed earlier. First, the required PFEP input data is often locked in people's heads and in spreadsheets, which requires in-person interactions. Many manufacturers leverage a wide range of spreadsheets to document, execute, manage a wide range of supply chain operations during new product development, new product launch, and continuous improvement projects. This leaves up to 90% of our critical supply chain input data offline, which increases cost when change inevitably occurs. One solution to address industry pains as well as PFEP challenges is automated Plan for Every Part software. Teams can quickly upload their spreadsheets into a collaborative environment that allows you, your team, and suppliers to concurrently read, write, and edit data. Further, there are several powerful automated assists, such as lean formulas for calculating packaging weights and landed cost, and recording changes to PFEP that save valuable time. The net result is that teams should be able to compress the time it takes to develop, launch, and continuously improve product supply chains. We'll now demonstrate how automated Plan for Every Part software can enhance your collaboration and your productivity so that you can optimize your supply chain more quickly. We will start by addressing one of the biggest pains, converting your spreadsheet offline data into collaborative, automated Plan for Every Part software, so that you can get more done and realize supply chain optimization results more quickly. First, we'll utilize a data import software feature, which will enable you to transition your existing work instantly. automated PFEP software can act as a valuable standalone productivity tool, or APIs can be utilized to further accelerate the exchange of data between systems, such as ERP or MES. Second, configurable template software features enable you to tailor, then standardize, best practices across the organization. This particular template offers an expanded number of over 140 lean supply chain data inputs for more granular supply performance tracking versus rigid, non-native cloud-targeted lean software tools. Third, concurrent editing software features empower multiple supply chain professionals, functions, and suppliers to concurrently edit data, which saves hours of time each week by avoiding the exchange of spreadsheets. Fourth, smart cell and formula software features save you valuable time inputting and maintaining data and allow you to spend more time optimizing supply chain operations by eliminating repetitive calculations and human error. Fifth, changelog software features provide a new treasure trove of data to be mined for future continuous improvement predictive insights, as all changes to PFEP are now date stamped and logged. Sixth, indented bill of materials software features allow teams to collaborate earlier during new product development and launches by reducing the workload involved to track best practice input data earlier. Seventh, dashboard software features ensure leaders and geographically dispersed teams get accurate information they need to make better decisions by avoiding the need to gather and analyze data at the company, plant, project, and part level. Lastly, member admin software features facilitate smooth, real-time information flows inside and outside the organization by easily extending access to teams, individuals, and suppliers to enable a wider range of collaboration. We hope this brief overview and demo provided insights on how to optimize your supply chain more quickly with Plan for Every Part.